The most common mistake I see when customers want to feed in their OT signals into a CMMS system like MaintainX is that they treat connectivity as though it's the finish line. What winds up happening in those cases is they connect all of their signals and they wind up with an overwhelming amount of noise in their system that they're not too sure what to do with. And they might not even be better off than before they did this. So the fix that I recommend is to focus on outcomes. So figure out, do we want to change from calendar-based maintenance to condition-based monitoring? And then from there, selecting a handful of assets that have clear signals that can be actioned, connecting them into the CMMS, setting your thresholds, and then seeing the full work loop to finish. So having technicians action based on the signals, create the work orders, and gain confidence in the system working. Then you take that, you repeat it, and you bring it into the next batch of assets.